I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select trigger, which is FormCraft. Select a form. Click on Next. Search and select an action. Registration. Choose an action type. Map the respective fields. You can send notifications by checking the box. Choose here the WP user role. You can check the box for auto login after registration. You can also map here meta field. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Now click on Save. Now check the integrations by submitting a form. Form submitted successfully. Now go to the user's dashboard. And here you can see after the form fill up the new user created successfully done. Thanks for watching.